Hi guys. Today we are going to continue working on our geologic time scale online activity. Yesterday I had you read slides 1 through 4, and then you completed the timeline. Completed the timeline on slide 6 and 7, comparing these events to our modern day calendar. Today's part of this assignment, if you look at slide 8, there's some instructions there, and then slide 9 is your assignment for today. All right, so it has the different eras. These are the 4 eras that we have. We've got the Cenozoic era, which is present time, the Mesozoic era, which is dinosaur time, the Paleozoic, which is pre-dinosaur, and then there were a few eras prior to that, but we collectively know them as Precambrian time. Okay? So your job is to, in your own words, describe briefly what happened in those eras. And you can find that information by looking back at those first 4 slides, or if you want some more detailed information, go ahead and just Google Cenozoic era, and you're going to find a ton of information on it, or the Mesozoic era, ton of information, okay? And then you are to find a couple pictures that represent some of what you are talking about in your description. So for example, my description for Precambrian time was the molten earth eventually cooled and rain began to fall, filling the oceans, giving rise to cyanobacteria, which filled the atmosphere with oxygen. Okay, so that is covering billions of years. This is by far the biggest abbreviation for the Precambrian time ever. But I've touched upon some important things: molten earth, water world, and the first single-celled and then multicellular organisms. All right, so you're just copying and pasting or saving and pasting pictures from the internet that represent what you have in your description. All right, so you've only got these 4 eras. You're writing a description on these 4 eras and including some pictures. And that is it. That is all you got to do today. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow.